Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for your pool maintenance, the Swimline Return Gasket Set. If you're looking for the best pool return gasket on the market, you're in the right place. The Swimline Return Gasket Set is a top-notch replacement kit designed specifically for pool return fittings. It comes as a 3-piece set, ensuring you have everything needed to maintain your pool's water circulation system effectively. If you're wondering why this set stands out, it's because of its reputation for quality. Many pool owners trust Swimline products for their reliability and durability. Whether you're replacing old gaskets or upgrading to ensure better performance, this set delivers on its promise. To wrap up, if you're in need of a reliable pool return gasket set, look no further than the Swimline Return Gasket Set. It's built with quality and durability in mind, ensuring your pool maintenance remains hassle-free and efficient. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on essential products like this one. Until next time, happy swimming!